guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today's video is the giveaway winners. Yay! Yes, I'm a day late. I apologize. I was in cookie hell. Last minute, my husband's like, I need 120 cookies. I'm like, let me just whip those right up. Which I did! I whipped them right up. Alright, you guys, let's go ahead and start. I'm gonna pick the winners in the order with which I showed the items. I don't have the items in front of me because everything is already in its bubble wrap, ready to go. What you need to do is, if your name is called, please email me. I'm gonna put the email here, it's in the description box, it's everywhere. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing is, I have two Estée Lauder lip kits. We'll do the 2022 one first and then the 2023. So 2020 Estee Lauder lip kit 2022 coming up. All right, here we go. And it is, the winner is Sunita Mater. Congratulations, you so deserve it. Thank you so much. So that is the first winner. Now for the Estee Lauder Lip Kit 2023. Congratulations, first winner. Oh, I have to hit start, huh? That would be helpful. Second one is Claire. I've got to wear my glasses, y'all. Clara Gonzalez, congratulations. Yay, you deserve it. Been following you for 4 years, not just because of makeup, but your courage. Please keep it up. By the way, I'm making those holiday cocktails. Yay! Well, how do you like them? Be sure to go ahead and give me an email, please. The next one is the Derma-flash, and I'm also including one of the masks, face masks from DBeauty. So let's start. Teresa Bullock, congratulations. You are so sweet. Such a huge accomplishment. I've always loved watching your videos. You've been watching them for a long time, I know. You are such an inspirational woman in so many ways. Thank you. You are so welcome and congratulations. So you have the Derma-flash. Congratulations, and I love that new hot pink color. All right, here we go for the NUFACE mini. Boop. And it is Jennifer, oh my gosh, y'all should just keep them on, huh? Jennifer Mallon 7974, congratulations. Congrats on 20,000, thank you, love your channel, thank you, and congratulations. So again, make sure that you email me. Let's pick another winner. I wrote them down. ULTA gift card. ULTA gift card, $50 gift card to ULTA. Big proponent they are of giving back to Breast Cancer Research Foundation. And it is Kim Lesner 3742. Appreciate your content and positive energy. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Congratulations to you as well. So we had two Kendra Scott necklaces. The first one I showed you were the little white ones with the pearls. They were so pretty. Okay, let's see. Kendra Scott earrings. Lisa Parent 8627. Bravo, Darlene. What an accomplishment. I've been following you for almost 4 years and really admire what your channel represents. Thank you. You are so very welcome and congratulations. Kendra Scott, white pearl with the little pearl earrings. You got those and those are really cute. I really like those. Those are very pretty. All right, next are the Kendra Scott, the bigger pink ones. I love these. Spring and summer, they are gonna look fantastic. Eyes of the Beholder 214, congratulations, girlfriend. Girl, you're awesome. You deserve 20 million subscribers. I don't know. 20 million seems a little bit much. Beauty brains and a great cook. Thank you. Much love to you and your family as well. Much love to you and your family. Congratulations. Kendra Scott earrings are coming your way. And then the last one is the Kiss PR box full of nails and lashes and all sorts of fun stuff. And the winner is Mary Carcillo 3224, congratulations and many more. Thank you very much, and congratulations to you as well. Email me, please look at the email very carefully and email me. And because I really do enjoy doing this, I am going to give 2 more $50 gift cards away to Ulta. So we're going to, at this point, do 2 more gift cards, you guys. All right, Renee Wooding 4629. Congratulations, you've been through so much, and I'm so happy to see things going so well for you. Keep slaying it. I will do my very best. Congratulations, $50 gift card coming to you from Ulta. All right, 1 more. Let's do it. $50 Ulta gift card. Let's do it. Cindy Cole 8447, congrats Darlene, enjoy your videos so much. I'm also a breast cancer survivor. Love that. I love you, warrior. I love that pink sister of mine. I love that you are, okay, I love you are a warrior and a survivor. I don't love that you had to go through it. I hope you understand what I mean by I love that you're a pink sister in the sense that you're a survivor. Congratulations, $50 gift card going to you from Ulta. It'll come directly to you. So congratulations, Cindy. Just be sure to email me. Gotta have the addresses, guys. Last time there was someone that did the $50 gift card. I have yet to get her address. So hopefully she'll eventually figure it out. Anyways, congratulations to all the winners. Thank you all so much for helping me hit 20,000. Let's go. Let's hit 30. Let's hit 30. Let's do it this year. Wouldn't that be wonderful? All right, you guys. Please get back to me as soon as you can so that I can get those out to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, as always, and I will see you very soon. Bye, guys.